Well, construction season is in full swing, and one of the larger projects commuters will notice across the metro is the bridge at the Northeast McMaster. Our Griffin Wright shows us when that construction will finish and how it might be sooner than you think.
Yeah, for the roughly 180,000 commuters that pass through the Northeast McMaster every day, they've seen this construction for what feels like years. The DOT says it's all for a good reason.
As with everything we have here on our freeway system, probably stuff hasn't changed in the last 20, 30 years, or even maybe 60 years, depending on where you're at, right? Automobiles have changed quite a bit since then. Also, traffic patterns in the metro have changed drastically, I would say, in the last 10 years. So these are needed safety improvements to get traffic through the intersection more efficiently and a lot safer.
The bridge will allow the northbound exit to be on the right side. Right now it's on the left, on top of widening exit and entrance lanes. Most of the construction so far takes place overnight between 10 p.m. and 5 a.m., and commuters are ready for it to be finished.
Everything's like stopped over there, so like when I was trying to head out to like Van Meter or Earlham or whatever, I'd have to go this way and like come all the way around or whatever. And then, it stopped. It's not like that anymore, so it's a little bit better.
Do you think it'll be nice when that finally is open?
Yeah, because then we won't have to go 65 in the left lane to get on the bypass or the pass to get on this intersection here.
Yeah, it's going to be nice. It's going to be nice. Coming through that little loop there is going to be great to have that done.
Now the end is in sight. Construction is expected to finish this fall, meaning commuters will no longer have to see any of those cranes or cones on their commute.
And the new bridge is expected to meet the metro's traffic needs for at least the next 50 years.